What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Land Sister Lifestyle. You know, we working on some things today. We vlogging today, man. We taking the birds out. We got the birds loaded up. Got some babies in there. I need another little another pen to take them out in. But check this out, man. We vlogging. We got the old school. We got the 96. We trying to get to the shop. I need some help with this car, man. You got a good mechanic, or you know somebody knows something about some bags, some doors, some all kind of stuff, man. We trying to get the slab ready. You know, we tipping on 4-4s today. Your boy made 44. Hit me in the comments. Happy birthday, 4-4s. You know, we tipping on them 4s today. You heard me? Yeah, man. We got the 96. We've been building for a while. We trying to finish this thing up. Trying to get it to a shop today. A lot of stuff we need to get done or whatever. But I cleaned it up a little bit. It's been sitting for about a year. I changed the door panels on there a little while ago. Had bought a little donor car. And now I still need more parts. Like this latch right here, the door won't close. So I need this latch. Anybody got this little door latch, man, for a 96, 91 through 96 Caprice Impala? Hit me up, man. Send it to me, man. I need that, man. You know, just the seat fell back, won't go up. Just a whole bunch of little stuff, man. I'm gonna swap all the interior out, change that out. You know, bam. So I'm trying to get that to the shop today. And then I'm trying to get this to the shop today. This the 63. Got it off the frame. Got the motor out. Just took the motor off of that thing. So we going to get this sandblasted and powder coated. That's the 63. We trying to get that to the shop today. That's the body. That's the body on the tray. You know, I snatched that thing up off of there. I did everything myself, man. Took all the interior out. I didn't do the welding work. I had to get the floor pans and all that redone, trunk pans redone. So I'm not a welder. I ain't do that. All I did was all the mechanic work. Snatched all the seats out. Did all that stuff, man. I know it's a mess in here. I gotta get everything up out of here and get it cleaned up. But yeah, we got that big block over there. Well, 327, big to me. So we gonna ride like that, man. Juice this thing up, juice it up, redo everything, restore all that, man. All new parts, suspension. But yeah, we need to get this. We need to get this boy right here right. So we got a shop. I just had to throw a new battery on there and air up a tire. That's all I really did to this car. That's all it ever need. She run like a champ. Put some lug nuts on here. Shock, airbag tripping. Got to do some bag work. And under the hood is good. So we got the 63 or the 96. You know, we just riding with them S's. You know how we do with them S's. Let's see, get that trunk open. Hey. Yeah. Hold on. I'm on now.
Good morning, sir. We finna crank up the wheel. Have a good morning. Happy birthday. Got the keys. Show you happy birthday and happy anniversary.
Do you want to fire that thing up again? That's the SS 96. Hey, this the bird mobile, man. I'm putting the birds on the back. Everything tie into the birds. So the birds gonna be on the back of that thing. Dropping the birds off. You know. That's what we doing. Dropping the birds off in the old school.
You have to cut out some videos. Alright.
Nah, I don't do no editing. I straight post it. Nah, man. But yeah. SS. Me and D hanging out. That's how we rolling. You know. Alright, like, subscribe, share the video. What y'all think about the 96 and the 63?
Make sure y'all like and subscribe, y'all heard me? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and repost.
Yes, you heard that. That's how we doing it. We out.